Namaste, Pranam. Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about the pandemic situation, which is increasing drastically all over the world. The news today was revealed the president of US has been affected by the virus, and the first lady has been also affected with the virus. Few days back, I got I watched one video where it was shown as Dwayne Johnson got a virus and his family also went through the virus. The good part is they recovered, but you can imagine the person who is so healthy, health conscious, fit, even he got infected with the virus. The person who is fully secured with all the VIP, VIP privileges, President of US, also got infected. There are also incidences where a family member has got infected, but others are not infected even when they are in the very close proximity staying together. So, do we really know anything about this virus? Nobody knows anything about the virus. There is no clue what and how this virus really impacts. Who are the people it will target? No one knows a shit about this virus. Let me be very honest. All the speculations are made about this virus, that it gets infected to the people who are uh, more vulnerable, they by age, or if they have any other medical issues like diabetes or disease or kidney issues or heart failures, so on and so forth. That is but obvious. If your immune system is not good, forget about the COVID virus. Any other normal common virus will also impact you, will infect you. The flu, the pneumonia, all this will impact you. Nobody has any clue about the virus. In my last video, you must have, if you have seen that video, I was admitted in the Columbia, Asia for getting the kidney stone cleared from the ureter. It was a successful thing, and with all the good wishes, things went well. I was in the hospital facility. It was not a COVID facility as such, obviously. It was a separate hospitality which I was into, and I was just thinking, like, people feel scared to go to this kind of locations, but think about the people who are working there and serving people. So nobody has any clue about the virus. We should not think about the vaccination as a solution, which is going to be very near. Vaccination takes 1 to 2 years, and it is going to take really long time for this vaccination to really come. Please understand that the vaccination takes goes through series of process before it has been approved for a human trial on the mass basis. Just think about the vaccination, which is showing the antibodies are successful, and vaccination is shooted all across, and then you realize after 1 year or 6 months there are damages to the body, damage to the brain, damage to the organ. What are you going to do? That will be a more problematic solution. So vaccination has to go through various process before it is approved for mass trial. So vaccination is out of question to think about. Yes, one thing which can really be helpful is the line of treatment for this particular virus. Government, pharmaceutical companies, all should have more focus on figuring out the line of treatment for the people who are infected with this virus. If that is the case, at least when anybody is infected, the person knows what is the line of treatment and how the person for sure can be cured. Even today, there is no line of treatment which is for sure. All combinations and permutations are made in terms of medicines, and steroids are being given, and sometimes the medicines which are used for HIV are given, sometimes the medicines used for dengue are given. It starts with a very common antibiotic called as AZ, and then it moves to dengue, and then HIV, and then pneumonia, and the steroids. So whichever way it works, people feel better, that's fine, but there is nothing, there is no certainty that okay, this is the line of treatment and the person will be cured. So there should be more focus on the line of treatment than focusing on the vaccination part or other areas. Until then, we have to live with the least expectations of vaccine or miracle going to happen, that everything is going to go poof. No. So when we have to live with this virus, the essential thing is, please be responsible towards yourself and also towards others. First is being responsible towards yourself, and also second is to be responsible towards others. When I go out on the streets or any common places, public common places, people have started taking very lightly, and when they get stuck, or when they are struck with this issue, then they feel, how did this happen? And they feel surprised. There's nothing to be surprised about. President of US never bothered to wear a mask, or never bothered when he's in public to keep a social distancing. He got infected. Wish he could have set a right example. So if leaders like this set a wrong example, how the public is going to really react, or how the public is going to be following these norms and regulations. So nobody knows a shit about the virus. So we have to be patient. We have to be engaged. Engage in the activities which you love to do. Find various ways of engagement. We are still very lucky to have internet during our times, and it's so easy to get connected with the people all across. But again, I will say, the best way to keep yourself strong and deal with the situation is try to be less and less reliable on anyone. Be self-reliant. I know it is very easy to say than to be done, but yes, sometimes you have to curb your emotions which are at the lower dimensions, where you feel insecure or you want someone to lean on. But that is the time to test yourself. So curb, you have to squeeze those emotions of being self-reliable, of having expectation that someone is going to do something for you. Even if someone does something for you, inside it's you who has to do something for yourself. Only then you can deal with yourself, or be strong, or feel happy, or feel joyful in such situation. So squeeze your lower emotions. Lower emotions are like fear, insecurity, and feeling sad, feeling down. All these are lower emotions. Keep your emotions high by doing things which you feel from within are good. Engage yourself. This situation is going to last for long. There would be lockdown, unlockdown, whatever the case is. One thing is for sure, there should be a social distancing, and mostly you are going to be with your family or you are going to be alone dealing with yourself. Use this time to enhance your health, enhance your mental ability, enhance your interest, enhance yourself as a person. Be as much as independent as possible. Do more of physical exercise. Don't stop yourself from doing physical exercises. Clean the house, take a walk. So these are the things which you may focus on, and stay strong. Good wishes, sending you the good vibes for good health, prosperity, and wealth. And I would say if you have enough money, share it with the poor people, help the needy, serve the food, improve your higher emotions like compassion, affection, empathy, and emerge as a strong and loving human being. Be human. Being human is to help each other, stand for each other. But it does not mean that you have to get entangled with anyone. Don't get entangled. Involvement is important, not entanglement. Helping is required, not making somebody disabled. Be self reliant. Don't rely on anyone. And don't make others feel that they can rely on you. Make people more independent. Serve them. Take care of yourself and your family. I will end with a couple of things. I personally would like to share what makes me feel really good. Inside, I feel like I should express myself with someone about what's going inside me, and like trying to help others and talk to someone about this. So I choose to make this video because this is a platform I see to speak, to put my points forth, put my opinion forth, and I feel good about it. Even if one person feels better after listening this video, I think that's the best part to happen. So be happy, stay fit, stay healthy, be compassionate, be self-reliant, and take care of yourself. Have a good day. Thank you. And if you like the video, just hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. That's all. Thank you so much.